Hey friends, this is Atif here, and welcome to the new update from Render. On a weekly time frame chart, Render has broken out a quite big down channel, and after that, you can see that it has rallied very well and formed another rising wedge pattern. In fact, when it was moving inside this down channel, in those days, I've been telling you that once Render will be able to break out this long-term down trend line resistance of this channel, then this downtrend will be finished and a long-term uptrend can be started. And I've been telling you that the target for this breakout from this down channel can be here at the top of the channel. That can be between $8 to $10. And you can see that the price line has so far rallied up to $6.17. And if I place this measurement tool from this low to this high, then you can see that so far it has rallied more than 2,152%. Right now, you can see that it is trying to break out this rising wedge pattern and this quite long-term resistance of $6.50 as well. But there is a very big bearish divergence. It's also flashed once again. We can see that RSI is not able to form another higher than previous high. You can see it is still forming a lower high than previous high. Letting to place a trend line here, and you can see that at the same time the price line has formed higher than previous high. So there is a very big bearish divergence flash. Therefore, there is a probability that we may have another rejection by this resistance of $6.50 and this rising wedge pattern. And in today's video, we will analyze this move, and I would also like to share with you my most recent trade signal for render that I shared almost 3 days ago with my members. And so far, this move has produced almost 25% pump. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. And first of all, let me begin with my most recent trade signal for render that I shared 3 days ago with my members. And that was a harmonic bullish reversal AB equal to CD move that render formed on a 2-hour time frame chart with US dollar pair. And this was the complete trade setup. This was the buying range and the sell target zone and the stop loss. And now if I play this chart, then you can see that the price has started a very nice reversal from this buying zone and rallied beyond the sell target zone. And so far, it has rallied almost 25%. And before that, I shared this harmonic bullish reversal Gartley pattern that was getting completed on a daily time frame chart with Bitcoin pair. And if I play this chart, then you can see that the price then dropped more down, completed the like here. Then we had a very, very massive reversal. And this was almost 111% pump on this daily time frame chart. And if you would like to catch each other pumps before they happen, then you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing such trading signals for you on the daily basis. And I've already shared the links to join me there in the video's description you can find. Now let me to take you to the live chart. And here you can see that we have already broken out this quite long-term down channel. After that, we had a very powerful rally. But since after the month of Feb 2023, it is moving inside this rising wedge pattern. You can see that we got stable ejections here, 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 and again, it has reached the resistance of the wedge. At the same time, we also have this bearish divergence as RSI is not able to form another higher than previous high, but the price line is forming higher than previous high. Yes, it is possible that if RSI moves slightly more up and forms another higher than previous high, then this move will be synchronized with the movement of the price and this bearish divergence can be removed from the chart. Now, if the price will be rejected once again, then it can drop down to test the support of this wedge somewhere here, approximately at $5.18. And in case of breaking out this wedge, by the way, first it can hit the target for this breakout from the channel that is approximately at $10. And after breaking out this wedge, we can expect another very, very massive pump. And the target for this breakout will be here approximately at $21. So this was the update so far. I hope that you'll like the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. You can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.